What's poppin'? We got butter chicken and pizza. We got the pizza from Nono's and Nutley. Oh my god. Yo, that's so fucking good. This shit's so good. I also got the rice balls with in the butter chicken. Yeah, let's taste. The rice ball is okay, but it feels like, I don't know, maybe because it cooled down. What is this, a garlic knot? It's like creamy, salty, and tangy. Oh, I fucking love this. But just look at the pizza by itself.
I'm gonna love you.